Okay, so I have cleaned the mango, and so I'm just going to slice down where the pit is, trying not to hit the pit. Okay, hit it just a little bit there, but okay, so that side was better. And then there at the edge of the cutting board, here at the edge of the cutting board, just kind of go around just a little bit, keeping the blade flat to the cutting board, rotating the mango, and then just making slices. So about half a centimeter. That's a little bit too thick. Trying to get them consistent so they all dry evenly. That one's better. And if you didn't get all the way, you can cut this side too, but probably okay. I need a spoon. Okay, and then with a spoon, just come and complete the cut. There's one piece. Trying to get underneath the skin. Like that. And then just lay them out. So there's still some fruit here. So after I'm gonna scrape this out and I'll just eat it. Okay. So I would do the same to this side. And then for the center part, I don't want to waste any, so try to take the skin off. It's a little awkward to do it on camera. I'm holding it far away from me, but I want you to see what I'm doing. It's safer to use a sharper blade. Okay, so from here, because the pit is kind of wider in the middle and narrower on the sides, I'm going to try to cut on an angle to get most of the fruit off. Okay. And then I might try to just get this and I'll eat it now, just trying to get little bits of fruit. But here, this is a little bit too thick. So I'm just gonna, again, place the knife parallel to the cutting board to cut it a little thinner. So that might be too small to dehydrate, so I'll eat that. But this one's good. Okay. A little bit of green on there, which is okay, but I'll take it off. Okay, so I think you get the idea. All right, so let me show you the finished product. So it's pretty easy to do. It was just in for like 5 hours or however long it takes to dry. Some of them had air bubbles, and I took a knife and tried to pop those, but I don't know if that was necessary. I think it was dry inside. But you just kind of push from behind, and actually these aren't very stuck. You just peel them off. But sometimes you push on the tray, flex it. Okay, you try flexing it or push from behind if you need to, and it helps things unstick. Okay, so a crowd favorite, dehydrated mango.